We're going to talk about why social media is so important to your growth. And there's various reasons for this. Of course, the number one thing is just to be seen, right? To be present online. And social media is the quickest and easiest and most affordable way that you can be present online, and you can reach the clients that you want to reach. With your targeting and what you post, you can easily give something to your clients to go to so they can see a portfolio of your services, and that will confirm exactly what you do, what you're about. And this is so much better than a website because it is literally a page that shows exactly what the customer wants, and they want to see what services, what they are going to be receiving. So again, that's number one reason why you want to have a social media profile. Another reason is because it is going to be a good way that you can follow up with the people that are interested in your services. You can have them DM you something about booking a service. You can actually list your products. You can tag your products. You can have people promote your products and then tag them in that. They can reshare everything easily from a social media platform. They can tag their friends. They can share it to their Instagram. They can share it to their Facebook. They can put it in their story. So another reason why you want to have a social media profile. The third reason is more of a branding tactic. Every time that you are looking for more press or bigger reach within other types of networks, maybe you have a strong following on Instagram, but not so much on Facebook. Maybe you have a strong following on LinkedIn, but not so much on YouTube. Wherever you have the strongest following and you can prove that you have that following and it is niche to what you're trying to showcase. For example, we're gonna focus this around more of like a personal brand. If you are a speaker or a presentator or a coach, you're gonna have things on there that's gonna showcase what you do. Again, it's like your service and how or what you are going to be presenting to your clientele. And when you have, a dedicated page just to that, or even if it's just kind of like it's there, you have a story that you do that, then that works too, because maybe you do just more than motivational speaking or more than just coaching or more than just have a podcast, like my own page, right? My own personal page. Or you have multiple businesses and you have different links to your different businesses on there. You can do that just as long as it's clear where to go on that page, and people can get an idea of exactly what services they're going to be getting. But this not only strengthens that notoriety, that what they're paying you for or what they're looking to get from you as a service as a result, but it also is going to be easier to transfer it into other social media platforms, even television and newspapers. Because television and newspapers, the first thing they want to know is how big your social media following is. That's the first question they ask you. And if you have more social following than somebody else does in your industry, guess who's going to get the most traction? The person with the bigger social media following. Now, there is a key here. Now, if you and another person have the same amount or totally different social media following, but you have better content and you don't post like a lot of negative crap, because nobody wants to deal with negative people in general. Like, if I go to a potential client's social media account and they don't look like there's somebody I want to work with, say they complain a lot about services they've worked with, they complain about what's going on in their day-to-day life, it's not somebody that I want to work with, right? Personally. And I don't want my employees to work with people like that either, because it's going to bring down their morale, And so I do not accept clients if they have a lot of negativity on their profile and they're just not positive people, right? They show up depressed, always complaining, not people I want to be working with. So again, you have to watch out what you do post. If you're having a bad day, don't post about it, or post about it and then literally take it down in the next 5 seconds. But always give it that 24-hour rule. So there's your key. Do the 24-hour rule. If it's something that you feel so passionate about posting, wait 24 hours ask yourself again, is this going to hurt my brand or is it going to help my brand? And if it's something that you're passionate about that you want to make a movement against, then make a separate page, make a separate account, make a separate thing for that, and then make that. But don't put it on your account. That could affect everything else amazing that you're doing. All right, guys, I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.